Hi friends, so ఇప్పుడు నాకు ఒక అమెజాన్ నుంచి పార్సల్ వచ్చింది. సో ట్రైపాడ్, సో దిస్ ఇస్ ది ట్రైపాడ్ అండ్ ఇప్పుడు దీన్ని చూద్దాం ఏమొచ్చింది. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ది బిల్ ఇన్వాయిస్ అటాచ్డ్ టు ది ట్రైపాడ్ ఫ్రమ్ అమెజాన్. చూడొచ్చు ఇక్కడ. సో ఇక్కడ దీంట్లో బిల్, ఓకే బిల్ చూడండి ఎట్లా వచ్చింది అమెజాన్ నుంచి. సో దర్ ఇస్ నో బిల్, ఓన్లీ షీట్ ఉంది అంతే. సో బిల్ ఉన్నింది, ఇట్ హస్ గాట్ వానిష్డ్ ఐ థింక్ డ్యూ టు క్లైమేట్ టెంపరేచర్. ఇది టెంపరేచర్ పేపర్ కదా, సో ఇట్ హస్ గాన్. So bill is not being visible, but this is what the bill I have got from Amazon. And let's open the tripod like how it is. So this is a tripod which cost me somewhere around like 800 rupees. So the 799 was the costing. So 799 ki naki tripod vachindi, which is a camera, DSLR as well as mobile phone holder. So mobile phone ki tripod varkotundi as well as DSLR varkotundi. This is almost 3 meters, 2 meters and 6 feet tall tripod. So this inside the box. So this is the box. So this is the box loplo itla manchiga pack ayi vachindi tripod. So where for an example you want to carry, it will carry cheyochu. So we can carry only tripod also. Okay, so this is the tripod what I have got from Amazon. For complete Amazon la link add chestam, so you can just take it from there. And here, so this is the tripod what I have got. It is also included for DSLR as well as for phone. So if you are using for phone, so there are multiple handles like this. You manage this, and this is to rotate. And for an example, you wanted to use for phone, so phone call it, this is the phone holder. So there is an additional phone holder coming with it. So once we open this tripod, phone holder, so here for an example we want to take vertical. So yeah, it is not getting screwed. Give me a moment. Let's see if there is something down. Yes. So for this you need to open this up, and there is a lock at the bottom. Okay, so you have to hold this bottom. So let me release this. Is getting open. So you have to open this bottom, hold it here, and then put the lock. Okay, so you lock this. Now it is locked. So once you fit a phone here, and then we need to just put it like this. Ikkada oka lock untundi. So ee lock ni itla teesi, so you need to just hold it. Phone holder aneka ivi install a phone here, and it'll call, you can just hold it. For an example, landscape తీసుకోవాలంటే people can keep it like this, portrait తీసుకోవాలంటే ఇట్లా తీసుకోవచ్చు. And then you can actually adjust with the tripod completely, all the 6-way angle is there. Put the lock. Okay, so you lock this. Now it is locked. So once you fit a phone here, and then we need to just put it like this. ikkada oka lock untundi. So ee lock ni itla teesi, so you need to just hold it. Phone holder aneka ivi install a phone here, and it'll call, you can just hold it. For an example, landscape తీసుకోవాలంటే people can keep it like this, portrait తీసుకోవాలంటే ఇట్లా తీసుకోవచ్చు. And then you can actually adjust with the tripod completely, all the 6-way angle is there. And for an example, you want a phone to be flat పెట్టాలంటే the similar thing. So here you hold this, open it, lock it. For long videos, so for long videos you can lock at the side. ఇది long videos కి అయిపోతుంది. Okay, and the same way you put a lock here. So simple adjustment where you can do all the multi-purpose access in it basically. So initially it is little tight, so you need to just see which side it is going. So you need to see which side it is going, and then put it, and then you can just shoot for a long videos ki it'll petti. So for this you need to type this, and then you can shoot it. So majorly people will be installing, this is the position of a camera where you can majorly utilize for. So this position of camera, this is also used for DSLR also. So DSLR again you can use this. See, to install phone you need to just raise this height, ikkada press chesi push the phone, and it is installed. Ante ఇప్పుడు మనం 360 degree తిప్పొచ్చింది, all 360 degree it rotates. For an example, you are shooting downwards, so downwards తీసుకోవచ్చు. You can take it high, and then you can shoot for a long videos. ఇది long videos వస్తుంది. And then you want it for sideways, you can actually do it for sideways. Yeah, so like this, and then down fit చేసినామంటే it will start recording. Actually use this as a normal tripod also. So multi-purpose tripod.